Hey everybody, it's Andy with RS Xperience, and here we are today at the beginning of our rally. This is called the Blue Ridge Rally, so obviously we're going to be out on the Blue Ridge Parkway at some point today. So I just wanted to take a minute and just talk about, so what's it like coming to one of the RS Xperience events? What does the day look like? So first thing we do is folks are just wrapping up with breakfast right now, getting their stuff together to head out for a drive. Typically people will want to clean their windshields or get their car cleaned up, right? We all like to start the day with a nice clean car. We spend some time in the morning talking about the route that we're going to take for the day, and so people have an idea what to expect, when we'll stop for lunch, and then when we'll return in the evening. Today tends to be a little Porsche focused, but we really get a little bit of everything. So one of the cars we have here is we have this 2021, this is a Cayman S. Next to that we have this 2022 718 Cayman GT4. This particular one is in shark blue and it has these beautiful aftermarket wheels. These are forge line wheels. Next to that we have a nice generator, one of the generations I really like. This is a 997, I believe it's 997.2. This is a 2010 Carrera S Cab. Next to this, we have our one representing American brand here, and this is a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette. This particular one is a collector's edition. It has these tension blue hash marks on the fender. It also has some tension blue inserts on the leather interior. We have our father and son duo here, and they've been to a few of our events, Hugo Sr. and Jr. And this is also a 2022 Cayman GT4 in racing yellow. It has some the matte black striping. We have GT4 on the wing. We have Porche on the rear wing. Over here, again, we still have more cars. This here we have a 2021 718 Cayman GTS. This particular one is in gentian blue. A really sharp looking car, and that car is actually a pretty fast car. If you say, hey, I maybe don't want to do a GT4 but I like something with a little bit of power, etc., this GTS is actually sits in a really sweet spot on the 718 platform. And then next to that we have its kind of sibling car. This is a Boxster GTS, this one here in Carrera white. It also has, you can probably see them through the window, it has the painted white, whatever they call those, the uprights, the loops or whatever. Typically they come in like a matte black plastic, but this one's actually painted. That's a good looking car. Next to this we have a 996, so a generation earlier than the silver cab. This is a 996 Carrera Cab here in this really great color with a really nice tan interior, a sharp looking car. Next up, this is one of my favorite models of the Porsche 911 generation. This is a 1996 Carrera. This is the 993 generation. I really love the look of this car. I love the front end. This is just classic Porsche when I think of Porsche. And if you've noticed already, probably since you've been, like, you look at the size of this and then you look at the size of the newer 911s, you just realize how much those cars have grown over the years. Next up, we have this beautiful 718 Cayman Spyder. This is the new 2021 Spyder, and this particular one is in a really great color. This is PTS Oak Green Metallic. And then next to that, we have our photographer's car. Yay! This is a Cayman S, and this one has a wrap on it, which looks really cool in the light, and Daryl keeps this car really clean too all the time. And I like the wheel setup on here as well. It's got some serious rubber and then the black with the silver on the wheels. It looks really good. So yeah, I think people hear RS Xperience, and as you know, right, I used to have the GT3 RS, and people, think Porsche. So I tend to track Porsches, but we've had Aston Martins, we've had Jaguars, we have BMWs, we've had Mercedes AMG, we've had Ford Mustang GT350s. We've had a little bit of everything. So it doesn't matter what type of sports car you have. Everybody's welcome to come to the event. So guys are just getting themselves settled in. We're going to go out, hit the road, and then I'm going to come back later in the evening and we'll kind of wrap up and tell you kind of the end of the day when we get back. Hopefully there's a lot of smiling faces and people had a good time. So we'll check you out a little bit later. All right, so we're back, everybody. We back from our first day of driving at the Blue Ridge Rally. We had a good day today. At the end of the day, we did hit about 45 minutes of rain, but you know, when you're here in the Smoky Mountains, almost every time I'm down here, you're bound to hit some pop-up showers. The good news with that though is it is going to bring a little bit cooler weather, so tomorrow the weather's supposed to be really nice. So we have a great day in for us today. I think the group had a really good time today. We had some really good roads out in the Pisgah National Forest area, and then up on the Blue Ridge Parkway. I think we went through about 5 different tunnels out on the Blue Ridge Parkway. People always like that. Some of these guys have aftermarket exhausts on their cars, so to hear the exhaust revving as we go through the tunnel, you know, hey, let's face it, we're boys and girls, because we do have some women with us, boys and girls with our toys. We like having some fun driving through the mountains. So today was good. We're about to have our, we were planning on doing a barbecue down by the lake today, but because of the rain, everything's a little wet down there. So we're still doing the barbecue, but we're doing that inside for dinner. And then we're gonna get ready to talk about tomorrow's run. We'll have another great day tomorrow. Everyone driving and having fun. And as I tell them, we work on 3 key things. One is I want you to learn something new to help you become a better driver and understanding and controlling your car. I want you to have fun, right? Because that's what we're here for. And then the last piece is I want you to be safe. Check us out at www.rsexperience.com. We're at rs.experience on Instagram and Facebook. Check us out and come join us at one of our events. Love to see you there.